Today I will just get into the recipe straight away. So today's recipe is going to be Andhra's special breakfast, mainly famous in Rayalseema region. I guess by this time Andhra people might have guessed it. So hello, what's up people, welcome back to Twisted Flavors. Before jumping into the recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and watch it till the end, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The main ingredient in the recipe is going to be the puffed rice, which is also called as murmura, borugulu or marmaralu in Telugu. So let's begin. First, take a kadai. Make sure it's big if you want to cook large portions. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and then add mustards, that means avalu, cumin or jeera, that is chilakara, urad dal and bengal gram, which is minapappu and pachi senagapappu, and later we'll add the raw peanuts, that is pachi verusenagapapulu, to fry. Fry them until they are cooked. Make sure you're cooking them on medium flame or sim flame, but not on high flame because there is a chance of getting burned. Now we will add grated ginger, around 1 tablespoon. That means tarigina allam 1.5 tablespoon add చేస్తున్నాం, and we'll fry. Then we'll add 2 large chopped onions. పొడుగ్గా కట్ చేసుకున్న 2 ఆనియన్స్ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. Along with that 5 to 6 slit green chilies and curry leaves. పొడుగ్గా మధ్యలో కట్ చేసుకున్న 5-6 గ్రీన్ చిల్లీస్ అండ్ కొంచెం కరివేపాకు వేసుకొని we'll be frying them until the onions are cooked or they become transparent enough. ఆనియన్స్ కుక్ అయ్యేంత వరకు మనం ఫ్రై చేసుకుంటాం. దెన్ we'll add salt to taste. అంటే సాల్ట్ టేస్ట్కి సరిపోయేంత వేసుకుంటాం. దెన్ we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, అంటే 1 teaspoon పసుపు వేసుకుంటాం. We'll mix everything together so that the turmeric and the salt coats evenly to the onions. సో ఇవి బాగా కలుపుకోవాలి, సో దట్ అంతా కలిసిపోతుంది అనమాట. పసుపు అండ్ సాల్ట్ బాగా కలవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ దే కాల్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు రైట్ ద నేమ్ ఇన్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్, బట్ ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ as వాము ఆకు. Now we'll wash our murmura in a water. So we'll take a bowl of water and we'll just dip and soak the murmura into the water for about 5 seconds. Then they will become little soft. We'll add this washed murmura or borugulu or marmaralu to the onions in the kadai. Here I have used 3/4 of the packet that I bought it from the store. So based on that you can add your quantity. And this quantity is for 4 people. Now we'll mix everything together, but make sure you will mix thoroughly the murmura so that they doesn't get stick to the kadai on the sides or in the down. They doesn't get stick or burnt. And also don't over mix it because they are already soft, they may get mashed. And finally, before turning off the stove, we will add some masala peanut powder or masala chana powder that we usually make at home. If you don't have the powder, you can skip it, but if you have it, it tastes and it enhances the taste of the uggani, that's what we call. If not, you can call it as upma or borugulu upma, murmura upma more. So just mix it everything together. As I said, don't over mix it, and you can just turn off the stove after mixing it for a minute. సో చివరిగా మనం మన ఇంట్లో చేసుకునే పప్పుల పొడి యాడ్ చేసుకున్నాం. అది లేకపోతే మీరు లైట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, అది జస్ట్ ఆప్షనల్, బట్ ఉంటే చాలా మంచిది. దట్స్ ఇట్ గైస్, అవర్ uggani is now ready to have it. Don't forget to have it when it's hot. Isn't it easy and simple to make? Don't forget to try, and also let me know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. So like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram for more such recipes. Bye bye.